Hey friends, if you encounter the error we couldn't install some updates because the PC was turned off, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So I have a script for you to reset Windows Update components. All you need to do is copy the script, then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste the script here. Now I'll tell you what the script does. So it will stop all services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile on your system. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root to folders. It will re-register all the DLLs, and then finally it will reset WinSock and then restart all the services associated with Windows updates. So it should work. But if it doesn't, then you can simply run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters, click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and fix them if possible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.